Hi, my name is Chris Payne. I'm from Woking, which is west of London. So I've come into London for the day, for half day with Adam and Robert, and it's been quite a revelation. I've never seen them present together before, and what is amazing is they're like an amazing double act, each with their own unique strengths, and what they did was pack an awful lot into a session which went from 1 o'clock until 5 p.m. Lots of stuff, lots of doing, so short explanations, then an exercise, and we actually worked together, or did stuff on our own, and then stuff in pairs. And some real light bulb moments, and I've got really clear what I need to do, one core thing that I need to do by the end of next week, which is going to make a significant impact on my business. Equally, I'm much clearer about where I want the business to be in 5 to 7 years' time. So my one action for next week is to look at what I really want for 5 to 7 years and break that down into what I need to do over the next 3 years, 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, 1 week, 1 month, 1 day. So I can actually say, what do I need to do tomorrow to get me closer to my vision of where I want my business to be in 5 to 7 years' time. Now, it might not be complete rocket science, but the thing is, I've got a commitment, and because of Robert and Adam's support, I've got an accountability partner that I will be calling next week to ensure that I've checked that what she's doing, that she's done what she said she's going to do, what she said she's going to do today, and also that I say that I've done my thing, because I want to say, yes, I've done what I set out to do. So by the end of next week, I'm going to have a really detailed plan, really for the next 3 core years, that will help me get to where I want to be in 7 years' time. And that's worth its weight in gold. So if you are not sure exactly where your business is right now, and you have some challenges and you want to get really clear what it is that's not going right in your business and how to fix that, this is the place to go. And to have the authors of the Check-In Journal book help you and say, right, let's do this now. And so you're working through the exercise is incredibly valuable. So don't mess about, just sign up and get here and change your life and your business forever.